Hello, if you've always wanted your contacts and companies to have like a different look in HubSpot, so we're talking about a board experience. Let's jump in and take a look at firstly how to set it up and why you might need this. So if you jump into your product update section in HubSpot, you'll see top of the list here is this section here, which is enhanced board experience and board view for companies and contacts. So simply click on the join beta. Click on enroll the entire account, join beta, and then let's jump in and take a look at what's happened. Okay, so the first update, it's very subtle, but you'll see if you jump into your contacts, you'll see we've got this section here, which is a list and also a view. So let's go ahead and click on view on board and take a look at what's happened here now. So one of the challenges we've seen with HubSpot is being able to easily move contacts through the lifecycle stages. So what we used to have to do was click on a contact on the left-hand side of the record, you'd select the lifecycle stage, and then that would move them through this funnel here. But what we can do now is we can just easily just drag and drop them around. So if you've been on the phone to someone and you've had a chat, you can easily just move them forward in the life cycle stage. The other thing that we do like about this is that you can set what you want to see in the contacts here. So I'm just going to set this up a slightly different way, and then we'll see some more benefits from it. Okay, so welcome back. I've made some changes to the display of the boards here. Now, if you're the sort of person that likes to just have a nice succinct list of contacts that you need to be working with, whether that be a view that you've set up where you've got like a filtered cut down list of your contacts and just want to see them in different streams. What I've done here is I've added a section here now where we've got the mobile phone number, the phone number easily presentable in front of us. We can preview the record without having to jump into the record, which is nice. We can use HubSpot's Copilot to provide us a summary of the record. So great if you've had, say, 6 months worth of interactions, you can just get a nice quick summary from that record. We can send them an email and we can create a note from that email. So if you have been calling that person and you just want to create a quick note, there's a nice quick way to do it. The other thing it'll do is it'll tell us that we've got a task due in 5 days, so we can also easily connect on that as well. So this is something that would benefit you. Hit like in our video if you're viewing on YouTube, and if you want to see more of these types of updates, please subscribe to our HubSpot tips and tricks, which will give you the latest updates on HubSpot and how to use them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.